In the name of Allah, the most kind, merciful and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum 8th class. Welcome to online class again. Hope you all will be fine. This is our lecture number 15 of English. And the topics we shall discuss in this lecture are from English A, we shall do chapter number 5, Magic Show, and we shall do exercise A, B and E, and then we shall do text questions of this chapter. Then after that from English B, we shall continue use of has, haven't, had, and we shall do exercise 1 and exercise 2. First of all, we shall do exercise A of chapter number 5, Magic Show. And exercise A is answer these questions. Question number 1 is who is a magician? The answer will be a magician is a person who shows magic tricks, means who performs magic tricks. Question number 2 is what is the first trick that the magician performs? The answer will be the magician's helper gets into a wooden box. The lid is put on the box and it is closed box. It is cut in the middle into 2 pieces. The helper comes out safe and sound when the lid is removed. First of all, the magician's helper get into a wooden box. Then magician put the lid on the box and closed it. Then he cuts it into 2 pieces and the helper comes out safe and sound when the lid is removed. Question number 3 is how many tricks did the magician show? The answer will be he showed 4 tricks. In the question there is did, so you have to write in the answer the second form of verb of show, that is showed. He showed 4 tricks. Question number 4 is what trick would you perform if you were a magician? The answer will be I would like to perform the trick that the magician showed with his hat. You can write whatever you want to write in this answer. Now we shall do exercise B of chapter number 5, Magic Show. This exercise is B. Correct the following sentences. Now few wrong sentences are in front of us and we have to correct them. The first sentence is I is a boy. We will not write is with I. We always write am helping verb with I. So the correct sentence will be I am a boy. Second sentence is she is here yesterday. Yesterday is showing that this is in past tense. So we have to use the helping verb of past tense. We will not use is here. We will use was with she. She is a singular, so we will use was. She was here yesterday. The third sentence is I have been reading from 8 o'clock in the morning. This sentence is in present perfect continuous tense. So we shall write here since or for instead of from. Here is 8 o'clock, so we have to use here since. So the correct sentence will be I have been reading since 8 o'clock in the morning. The fourth statement is he said what is your name? Now first of all, this statement is in direct indirect speech and this statement is in interrogative form. First of all, when you convert an interrogative sentence into its indirect speech form, the reporting verb said or told is changed into ask. Here is said, so we shall write in the correct sentence in indirect speech he asked. Now in this statement is in direct speech. The actual words of the speaker are quoted. So this is direct speech, but we have to write the sentence into indirect speech. In the indirect speech, we give the substance of what the speaker said or without quoting his exact word. So the correct sentence will be he asked what your name was. This sentence is of direct indirect speech. It will be more clear to you when we will discuss direct indirect speech. The fifth sentence is my mother asked me that where I was going. We will not write here that. So the correct sentence will be, my mother asked me where I was going. Now we shall do exercise F of chapter number 5 magic show. This is exercise E. With the help of the given word bank, complete the table given below. Now few words are given in the word bank. We have to select the answer from these words and we have to tell the synonyms and antonyms of the given words in the table. The first word is clever, synonym is smart and antonym is stupid. Synonym mean the same meaning and antonym mean the opposite meaning. So the clever same meaning is smart and the opposite meaning is stupid. Disappeared, vanished, synonym, and appeared, antonym. Increase, synonym is gain and antonym is decrease. Empty, synonym is unfilled and antonym is full. Amusing, synonym is cheerful and antonym is boring. You have to write them on your book. Now we shall do text questions of chapter number 5 magic show. Here are the text questions. Question number 1 is, what do you understand by the phrase lo and behold? Now we have to tell the meaning of lo and behold phrase. The answer will be, it means to watch very carefully. Question number 2 is, what did the magician do with the handkerchief? The answer will be, he put the handkerchief in his pocket and took it out again. Question number 3 is, from where the ring was found? The answer will be, the ring was found from the innermost box. Now we shall do use of has and have exercise. And these are the first 5 sentences. First one is, लड़कों के पास चंद किताबें हैं. हैं is showing that this is present tense, so we have to write has or have. The answer is the boys. Boys are plural, so we have to write here have. The boys have a few books. मेरे बटुए में कुछ भी नहीं. I have nothing in my purse. कुत्ते के गले में खूबसूरत पट्टा है. Now here is है and the subject will be the dog and dog is singular, so we have to write has here. The dog has a beautiful collar around its neck. हमारे पास गैर मुल्की रेडियो सेट है. We have a foreign radio set. तुम्हारे पास कलम क्यों नहीं है? Why have you no pen? क्या हिरन की टांगे नहीं होती? Now this is interrogative negative sentence. First of all we shall write helping verb and the English of heron is deer and it is singular, so we have to write has here. Has the deer then not 4 legs. इन औरतों के पास जेवर नहीं है. These women have no ornaments. Now the things are not mentioned, so we have to write no here. इस गरीब लड़के के पास जूता नहीं है. This poor boy has no shoe. क्या तुम्हारे दोस्त के पास घड़ी नहीं है? Has your friend no watch? हमारे पास नया मकान है. We have a new house. अमीर आदमी बड़ा बाग रखता है. The rich man has a big garden. क्या आपके पास लाइसेंस है? Have you license? क्या बढ़ई के पास आरी नहीं है? Has the carpenter no saw? लोहार के पास हथौड़ा नहीं है. The blacksmith has no hammer. क्या मुसाफिरों के पास सामान नहीं है? Have the passengers no luggage? Now we shall do use of had exercise. Now these are the first 5 sentences of use of had. The first one is किसान के पास दरांती ना थी. थी is showing that this is past. Now we have to write which helping verb. We have to write had in these sentences. And the English will be the farmer had no sickle. Second one is तुम्हारे भाई के पास पिस्तौल ना था. Your brother had no pistol. हमारा नौकर बंदूक का लाइसेंस नहीं रखता था. Or servant had no license of gun. We have to write had whether it will be a singular noun or whether it will be a plural noun. फोर्थ वन इज उनके पास एक नया हल था. दे हैड अ न्यू प्लो. अंधे फकीर के पास लैंप क्यों नहीं था? वाई हैड द ब्लाइंड beggar नो लैंप? द सिक्स सेंटेंस इज क्या घोड़ा लगाम और जीन रखता था? हैड द हॉर्स ब्राइडल एंड सैडल? नन्ही के पास एक अजीब गुड़िया थी. नन्ही हैड अ स्ट्रेंज डॉल. असगर के पास कितने लट्टू थे? हाउ मेनी टॉप्स हैड असगर? हमारे पास कोई शिकारी कुत्ता ना था. वी हैड नो हाउंड्स. क्या इस शहर का घंटा घर था? हैड दिस सिटी क्लॉक टावर? इस दरिया पर पुल क्यों न था? नाउ दिस इज डबल इंट्रोगेटिव एंड नेगेटिव आल्सो. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी शैल राइट द इंट्रोगेटिव प्रोनाउन. द इंग्लिश ऑफ क्यों is why. So first of all we shall write why, then helping verb had, then subject this river, then after the subject we shall write no, then bridge question mark. The sentence will be why had this river no bridge. सिपाही वर्दी क्यों नहीं रखता था? Why had the soldier no uniform? गार्ड के पास दो झंडियां थी. The guard had two flags. खिलाड़ियों के पास सामान न था. The players had no luggage. क्या इस गाय के सींग न थे? Had this cow no horns? क्या जहाज में कोई मुसाफिर न था? Had the aeroplane no passenger? आपके मकान का ताला न था. Your house had no lock. मेरे साइकिल के साथ घंटी न थी. My cycle had no bell. स्कूल का चपरासी न था. The school had no peon. स्कूल के दफ्तर में कायदे-आज़म की बड़ी तस्वीर थी. The school office had a big portrait of कायदे-आज़म. This is your home task. I hope that you have understood all the topics we have discussed in this lecture. Now I am signing out. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.